Hey, duckies! Ooh, what's that? A cow?
Huh?
What are you doing in a pond? You don't live here. Let's find your home, cow. Is this your home? Oops! No. It's a doghouse! Dog lives in a doghouse!
Oh,
Look,
no!
I see something. There it is. A barn! Yay! A cow lives in a barn. Why do I see a rooster in a barn? You don't live here. What are you doing here? Kids, let's help Rooster find its home. Wait! It's a stable. Horse lives in a stable. I can hear some cock-a-doodle-doo. Yes, there is a coop. Rooster lives in a coop.
Yay!
A pig!
No! God,
in a
please,
coop.
no! No!
Come on, let's find Pig's home, friends. A tree? Does Pig lives on a tree? Oh, no. It's a monkey's home. Look there. I see some piglets waiting for you, Pig.
Pig lives in a pigsty.
You made it, Piggy.
Huh?
Where are you, wandering rabbit? This isn't your home. Let's find your home. Yay! A burrow full of carrots. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Let's see if all are home.
Cow lives in a barn. Dog lives in a doghouse. Horse lives in a stable. Rooster lives in a coop. Pig lives in a pigsty. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Duck lives in a pond.
Huh? What?
A sheep.